Namaskar. Today we are talking about the third wave of Corona or the third stage of Corona. I was in great rush to tell you all because I never wanted to delay it. आज हम कोरोना की जो तीसरी लहर की बात हो रही है, तीसरी वेव की बात हो रही है, उसके ऊपर बात करेंगे और मुझे बहुत ही जल्दी थी कि मैं आपको ये मैसेज जल्दी से जल्दी दे दूं। थर्ड वेव ऑफ कोरोना, इट इज ए नेट, इट इज ए मैश। हिंदी में इसको जाल कहते हैं। नेट, मैश और जाल, ये ऐसा जाल फेंका गया है इस दुनिया में। इट इज ए टाइप ऑफ मैश और ए नेट थ्रोन ऑन द वर्ल्ड, यस, ऑन द वर्ल्ड। This wave, that wave, this thing, that thing, it is a big mesh or a net. We should know that at the world level, many countries even make destructive weapons and sell to the countries, create the sales potential by making them fight and destroy millions of the people. It is a fact and you people also know it. Few countries have their own economies revolving around that. So on the same tune, this net, this mesh is being created. Now, today we will talk about it. And it is like this. Corona net or mesh of third wave or jal of third wave, then the threat of third wave. No, only zero fear, highest level of courage and care can only save us. These are the only options with us. Only options. No fear, extreme level of courage to save us from that mesh or net. It's very difficult because all the net is there, and who can be saved? Only the very courageous people. And care also, take care also. Because this mesh, anywhere we go, it is there. Anywhere you go to the work, you go to the road, you go to the stores, you go for grocery, everywhere this mesh is there. Now, only a wisest person, the strongest person with the top courage can be saved. Otherwise, no. Because we have seen when they were talking about the first wave, second wave, and this wave, and many people who were not in a position to create that courage. Because courage is directly connected with our lungs. Fear is directly connected with our lungs. It deteriorate, make the capacities of the lungs very low. So you are going to that net. So the best possible way is to create the best possible courage, no fear and care. And how we can do that? We can do that by keeping ourselves very ready, fit and all that. Now, anytime just I am sitting on a chair, don't sit like this. Sit like this. This. Yeah. No, by sitting like this, if I am sitting like this for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, anytime, this position, the lungs are in an exact position of total breathability, total functioning. So they can stay very good. When your lungs are very good, you have no fear, you have tremendous courage, and you know the technicality and the scam behind all this. I just compared it. I just compared it. मैंने इसको मिला दिया है उस चीज से कि जैसे कंट्रीज वेपन्स मास डिस्ट्रक्शन के मिलियंस को खत्म करने के एटॉमिक बम भी बनते हैं and all that they create that, and then they make the countries fight and their economy they make money out of it. It is the same level of net, it is the same level of जाल. आप समझ लीजिए, well and good. If you don't understand this, then you are ready to go into that net. Just like when they catch the pigeons and all that, and parrots and all, they put like this. But when they have courage, sometime there was a story that 10, 20 pigeons, even they were in that net. They were courageous, they took the net along with that. And they were the winners. Only what was there in those pigeons? Courage. No fear. They know it is a net. We can go out of it, or we can fly with it. This was a story just to make people understand, to have more courage. तो हमें अपना एक विश्वास, अपना नो फियर रखते हुए, केयर भी रखते हुए हमें आगे चलना है. हमें ये कोरोना की दिस वेव, दैट वेव, थर्ड वेव, because many higher scientists, they are not opening their mouth. They know the fact, but they are fearful because the people who are creating this all, they are very strong. So I will be here again tomorrow with something very special, some foods to be more courageous, to be more nice and breathability. I will tell you some food tomorrow in my next video, and that 2-3 foods, oh, if you have no fear, courage, and those foods daily that is to be added in a drink, you are done. You are never going to be in this, never, because it is a created one. And if the people were not understanding that, that's why I compared it with that thing, that the mass destruction weapons and the fighting of the world, this is the things going on. So for a regular normal person, we can do this if we want to save us. If we are a rat race people, TV and all that, everybody's, oh, this is going, many people, this going sick, many people dying, then there is no way out. Listen it, if you believe it, and then create courage, no, zero fear, and sit like this always like this, and try to give more breathability, more power to your lungs, and it will be great. Okay, namaskar, and I will be again there with you tomorrow with something to drink for this. I was very much worried because I heard that this is again coming, this type of thing is again in the air. Okay, thank you.